On November 18th, Professor Yuan Xin of the Graduate Institute of Applied Aging at Weixin Shengjiao College invited Dr. Elmer Nguyen, a scholar of Vietnam's Gaodai, to deliver a special lecture for the Special Topics in the International and Cross-Cultural Fields course. The lecture introduced Vietnamese history, culture, and the core beliefs of the Great Faith for the Third Universal Redemption. In 2018, Weixin Shengjiao Gaodai and Daeshun Jinlihui jointly initiated the East Asian New Religious Association, which promotes international exchange and participates in religious academic conferences and various meetings. This facilitated academic exchanges between member groups, teachers, and students. On this occasion, Dr. Elmer Nguyen delivered a special lecture titled Vietnam's Religious Landscape and Gaodai to graduate students of the Graduate Institute of Applied Aging, introducing the historical development of Vietnamese religion, the origin and spread of the new religion Vietnam's Gaodai, and its core belief in the Great Faith for the Third Universal Redemption. The lecture also covered the organizational structure of Gaodai, the cultivation methods for its followers, and the three important principles of cultivation: establishing merit, virtue, and words. Dr. Elmer Nguyen's detailed explanation gave students a deeper understanding of Vietnamese religious culture. They learned how it has been shaped by historical political influences, the introduction and transformation of various religions, and the rise of a new religion, Gaodai, in the early 20th century, which developed from Fuji activities. In the latter half of his lecture, Dr. Nguyen highlighted the similarities between Weixin Shengjiao and Gaodai. Since forming the East Asian New Religions Association, these shared values have fostered deeper understanding through exchanges, multi-visit, and participation in international academic activities. This collaboration has cemented their bond, making them close partners. The students responded with enthusiastic applause. 微信 Report 陈玉梅， Weixin Shengjiao College。